Welcome to Module 203G on HVAC rooftop units. By now we should have an understanding of the different configurations of RTU units and makeup air units and how they operate. So now we can look at how to troubleshoot the units. Since the operation of these units are very similar to the operation of other units that we've looked at for residential applications, the troubleshooting also applies to each one of these. Our first stop should always be the electrical control panel in the RTU, which should have indicating lights that will tell us what is malfunctioning within the system. Make sure that we use our voltmeter for diagnosing, and if we understand the operation, it's easier for us to do the troubleshooting as well. Be familiar with the wiring diagram so that you can easily identify any of the components and then apply that to the schematic diagram for troubleshooting which operation is not working properly. And remember, start simple. Check the connections. They might vibrate loose over time, so it's always good just to make sure all the screws are tight, and keep in mind that the problem might not be electrical. If we have something like a faulty gas valve, which does happen from time to time, we have to be able to identify the fact that that is what the problem is, and then we can contact a gas fitter in order for them to replace that piece. If you are ever in doubt on what's going on with the unit or something simply isn't making sense, remember that the manufacturer will have more information on your specific unit. Therefore, don't be afraid to contact them in order to apply any troubleshooting. You've reached the end of 203G. Please return to Blackboard and do the knowledge check, and you can continue on to 203H.